Hello, we gonna show you how to smash Play-Doh. We make it like Play-Doh. We gonna smash this thing. We gonna smash this thing called Play-Doh that is witchy and can smash. Smash. This is look like a ball right now, so let's change it to invisible like crash. So I keep on this and say Play-Doh shoes. Let me show you a set. Play-Doh. I say Play-Doh. I see it. So it's Play-Doh. And Play-Doh is Play-Doh. I never see this as. I take this out from and so it's a drink. I love this. I want to keep it on, not and buy it. So let's smash them. I forgot to smash the last one. Yeah, I need to smash the last one after it. So yes, okay, yes, the Play-Doh is orange. I have it orange for a reason. I want blue, but it's orange. How my arms is cute. Home is cool. That's blue, and I love blue. And you remember, look like a ball to play. It's a real ball. It's a real ball. Let's test out from that. You see this? You see this? It's some old, but it's alive. But you roll out like a pizza. It can also roll out. You see all the damage? It's still alive and it's orange. Blue fast is orange. This is cute. It's cool. It's cool. I look like blue and I love blue. Orange curry. I subscribe to curry because they have also skill. Cool. And you remember this looks like an egg box. Because the Play-Doh looks like an egg. This is a sucker right now. I can't move out too. You see? I can move. I can move on my hand. It's moving itself in my hand. Oh. Sorry. I missed. So let's give it a test. Bye. I can't believe. I started like me, then I remembered. I can't find out to where to do this. And look at this. So funny. So funny. Do you think it's so funny? Yes, it's do. And it's rolling too. It's running to the camera. Oh no, it's running to the camera. This one is also scratched. Oh no, it's got into the camera. It's not going to the camera. Ew. The ball is so cute. Let's roll. No, I rolled it. Let's roll. Yeah. To make it as a ball, I can't make it as a ball now. I can make like a fountain, like, let me see. Let me go up some bits.
Is this one on y'all open?
Okay. Like one thing, like smashing. I smashing the Play-Doh. I smashing all the parts off it. It looks like a dog I cut. It looks like a dog I created. Yeah. Let's make Play-Doh. Let's make all the parts of it. Teeth? I look like I make a teeth push. Okay, I saw this love plate, but I can't smash it. I tried to make it a good spot to smash. Okay. Here's some slices. I slice them. I slice Play-Dohs by using it with my hands, and to make it normal look. You make it normal. That's so cool. That's so funny. To break all the parts up. Let's make slices now. I trying to smash the. I trying to make a slice of. I trying to make a slice of Play-Dohs. I make it more sliceable to make it more bigger. It's so fun when it's big to break. Yes, it's so fun. So let's make a slice to make it fun to smash. Okay. It's off. Now the last. Okay. Now last one. I make slices, but I forgot to find stuff bigger, but that's fine. Look, I grind them. Let me do this. Here's some more Play-Dohs. I'm making a video without ads because that's so cool. I can make it stand alive. It's like my life with poo-poo. That's like you need her. It's so fun to put on your face. Like ear and ear. Like this. And to make it more bigger. You see? Look, that's all for your ant to go inside. Look. And look. This is because that's so old. Because that's so old there. That's so cool. That look like a people's finger. And look. Let's smash this now to make it more real. Ooh, what's the sound thing?
Ilagay ka ng malinet kaya ba? Bakit walang punar sa iyo? So funny when it's 2022 and now it's 2023. 2022 is like a perfect year for me. Look, headphones. Hello. I listen to some music with this iPod. And like phones. Ooh, settings. Let me press it. Ooh! Face unlock. Turn on. Power off. Let's use my face. Oh, it's unlocked. Now go to YouTube. Ooh, I'm watching a movie right now. That's like a phone and a watch. Ooh! I watch. I love this. Go to YouTube and play. Do you remember to look like ear spots? Like if you make a more trainable, like you make it look like the size of the phone, like cover the camera. Let me cover the camera. Let me cover this so you can see better. Can you see when I cover this? No, you can't see. Oh, sorry, Pooh. It's okay. Let's make it more big. I can grow it. Okay, done with that. Let me pick up the 1437. The same. Watch this being destroyed by test. Drop-in test. Let me say again because something is talking to me. The first test to smash this
Drop-in test. I didn't have drop-in test because I can't break with that. Can't break, okay? So I only break with feet. Only feet, only.
Good.
Now let's drop this. Ooh! It did survive. Now test. Feet test. Ooh, it can. Ooh.
So you want me 2 copies?
Ooh, it's growing it.
Two of this and one of this.
Now,
Two of this.
now running
Look,
test.
Marina, how many copies you need?
Hey! I did. Sorry that I didn't listen to you. So I'm gonna say again. 1 drop test. Yeah. 2 feet test. I can't grow it. Three run test. That's so fun. Now test 4.
I'll put 1 copy to start.
Test 4. Running our test. That test didn't work. Okay, I can't smash but only with my hand. Let's do knock test. Let me knock it with my TV or computer. So funny if you see that. I dropped to my chest. I dropped from my TV to the chest standing. That's so cool. Now, done our test with the far away. Hey. Hello. I found this. Oh, I found this beyond the Christmas gift. I saw it. Second test. Sleeping test. I gotta sleep this as a pillow.
Oh, from that copy, that's why.
Oh no! It's a girl and not Nash. Let's do and test.
So go to one thing at least send it on that document.
Okay, the end test is so cool. It's smash it, but let's do.
So, we double.
It's still alive. The Play-Doh. Let. $2022. Let's see. I get that like a year. Sorry, I just dropped test. That's the first one. Sorry. Now let's do knock test on the. And then I reached that, like my camera is not turning off. That's so cool. Now. Ooh, the slides.
Now again. His mom's near me. Now let's try again. Ooh, a question mark. Now let's try again. Ah! It's completely up the sofa. This was in the sofa. Now let's try again. I'll open this. Smash back. It's near me. Now let's try again. It survived. Now let's try again. Let's go a little bit to try again. Okay. Question, Mom. Can I ask a question? Sorry, I did it so long. Okay, now let's try again. Teacher! Teacher! Do not turn off! I back here, okay? Now let's try again. Turn off. Turn off. Easy. I found it. I passed 2022. Haha. Let me wait for it time to get like 70. Okay. Let's go a bit. Let's try it. So fun. 20 seasons. Do not stop. Check calendar 23. I checked my calendar. So funny. Hey. Oh my God. So much. Let me camera test. Okay. Hey, Play-Doh test. Double test mode. Let's do a double test mode. Stop.
I'll modify that one. What?
Do not turn off. Why it dropped? Do not turn off, okay? Do not turn off. So funny. Oh. Oh. What's that? Can I? Oh, that's what's the one I found. Oh, this is the one. It's made of wood. Play-Doh. Ooh, that's almost two.
I make it grow bigger.
That's one okay.
Okay, now let's try. I look like I'm making an Apple logo. Look at this. Watch this. It can. Yeah. They're trying normal. Okay. Okay.
Sueltas el mismo, ¿cuál es entonces?
So funny.
¿Cuál primero? Suelta tú lo printas ahora mismo, ¿verdad?
Yeah, these.
Hey, Mommy, you're ruining my video. Sorry, I'll try it. Over my head. I look like I'm changing teeth. But like this. I look like it's fatter me. Well, let's try. Let's try. Let's slap you like this through the camera. And not through the camera, but I forgot one thing.
Quedan dos papeles ahí arriba.
Hey! What is it? Oh, yeah. Master, let me find my hair. Mommy, what's my hair? My hair.
Your hat?
No, my hair.
Your ear?
Yes, my hair. Look at a piece, Mommy.
Why so many copies?
What?
Dude,
I know it's a fake contract there, but
Yeah,
there's
this
two
is
fake
the
contracts
fake
and there's two
one.
real contracts.
yeah, this is the fake one. He needs to sign. This is para Santo Domingo.
Okay.
And then this is the real one, which is one copy for him and one for Carolina, and that's it.
Hey,
Yes.
I got me hair.
Ese fue el que
What the hell?
Carolina
What the
printió.
hell you get me? What the hell you get me?
Yo te lo di, búscalo ahí. Este tiene la amount wrong. Él puso 21,500. Nada más se le va a dar
Mami,
20,960.
Tell me where is it? Tell me where is it?
Míralo allá, a donde está la galletica. So, este.
Do not shut off, okay? When you something. Surprise! I got the air.
I can reprint this one.
That's
Porque está cortado.
You see this? I got it from no reason.
Yeah.
Airspace. I read it. The next. Who's? It's alive. Do not turn it off, okay? It's not. Ooh, one failed. It's not.
So yo printo un papel de
Not. What air smash? What air smash? Look, I got a bone note there. Look. Look at this. I love them. I turned into a pumpkin. Don't turn off. 2020. Don't like me? Yeah. I look like a shashu. Ah.
That's the fake contract. That's the fake contract. 276,000. That's the fake contract.
Goodbye. Let me wait for the next contact. Okay, here's the next contact. Now this is like faster contacts, so it's like 7 plus 7. Okay. Oh, sorry. 7 test 7. Give me this. This is 7 years old. I look like a paid to break. Ah! This is 7 years old, right? Okay. Now let's do it again. See me do it, okay? That's so funny. Water test. Wow. Where's the water?
You want me to ship that
It's
tomorrow?
gone.
I'm going to the office.
Okay. See me again. Get test. Thank you for looking at me if I move. Like same as smash it and Play-Doh. Look and smash and Play-Doh. Oh my. That's the 7 and me. Look, that's all you have to put your mouth in. Okay, let's try again. Thanks for me for you lose. Let's scratch. Look, it looks like a road. Look like this. A car. This is a car. This is a road. Look like a road, okay? Let's cut out the road to turn like one. Like, it's a road now. The pretties like me have look like your feet. Does it look like feet? I have those too. You want to see? Maybe when tomorrow. Look, I go in there some more big. I'm making like a cow. Cat. Meow, meow, meow. Oh my God. What is this? We caught in nothing. I'm a boy. Ooh, these brushes. Look at these brushes. They put on your mouth to fix them. And you're like distracting them. There's a closer. Just like. Oh. Tata! Yeah. Okay. You know what is I making? Ew. Okay. Goodbye. I gotta see you later.